Hello, everyone. Good morning or good afternoon. It depends where you are. I hope that you hear me very well. Uh, we are in our training center in Reims. So I'm Baptiste Billet. Some of you already know me because I'm working for the technical department and all technical questions that you can have, and I answer you as soon as possible. And I am with Patrick Romari, our technical expert. So some of you already know, especially in South Africa when he came to make some training demo. So as I told you, we are here in our training center because I have to tell you that because we have a training session just behind us. So if you heard some noise, don't worry, because they are installing and learning how to install a PVC floor covering. So first of all, thank you for everyone to be here. I'm very happy. And if you have some question, do not hesitate. I have a screen in front of me with all of the questions we can receive. So do not hesitate, and I will answer you during the installation demonstration. I will answer you as soon as possible. Sorry. Um, Today, we will show you how to install a Modup product. So some of you doesn't know what is Modup. Modup, it's a loose lay sheet product. So it's not a loose lay tile, it's a loose lay, so without adhesive, that we install directly on an existing subfloor or a new concrete subfloor, for example, or wooden panel. Today it will be a kind of a competition for Patrick because today he will realize and install a room like a residential, so like an office or a small bedroom. So here we have 10 square meter, and he will show you that in with less 20 minutes, he will be able to install this 10 square meter with the Modup Habitat product. So I will ask to my team if they can, so it's okay for you because we will record it to show you exactly how many minutes Patrick will be able to perform this competition. So 3, 2, 1, let's go. So Patrick already, sorry, we have an issue with the camera. So now it's okay. Sorry, it's happened when we are in live. So now it will be okay. So now we can see us. So sorry for this little things. So first of all, Patrick will trim the first sheet of modular product, as you can see. So he realized this cut with the forward trimmer. So it's a faster way to do it properly. Of course, you can do it manually with a double cut with your straight blade and after hook blade, but it's faster to do it with that. So do not hesitate to contact your sales guys if you would like to get more information on these tools. So it trim it. So each time we ask to trim, especially with this wood design, because this product is produced in Reims, and we produce in 2 meter, but in the real life it's 202 centimeters. So we ask to remove this small centimeters that we have on the edges. So now you realize the cut and remove the excess. So manually with the hook blade. As the product is a loose lay product, so without adhesive, we recommend to leave a small gap, not to be against the wall, but leave a small gap around 1 millimeter, 2 millimeter, as the product can be relaxed. So this solution can be promoted in a refurbishment or in a new building. In this way, it will be easier and faster to change your floor covering. If you would like an example, if you would like to have an example, if you have your bedroom and you would like to change your floor covering, you move your furniture and you remove easily the current modular floor covering, and you can reinstall in the same day another design, and you can reinstall all the furniture in the same day. This is the most important thing for the end user and the customer. Because as you don't have an adhesive onto the subfloor, you can easily reinstall your furniture without any waiting time to avoid any risk of indentation, as you can have with an adhesive installation. So as you can see, Patrick is installing the Modup junction tape. So the Modup junction tape, it's not a double-side adhesive, it's a differential adhesive. You have the part on the subfloor, which is not really sticky. It looks like a post-it. It's just to maintain the junction tape before to apply the second sheet and to install properly edge to edge the sheet, the modular Habitat sheet product, and to perform after the cold welding on our demonstration, or the hot welding when we do it in traffic or compact version. Because this solution, of Modup exists in different type. It exists in Modup Habitat, as you can see now, for residential. It exists in traffic version, so the acoustic version with 19 decibel, in compact version, and also in a TE version. So the TE version is when you have when you would like to install your floor covering on the concrete screed with a humidity issue with your subfloor, which not exceed 7%, you can use the Modup TE directly on this subfloor. I'm talking about subfloor. What subfloor is suitable and compliant with Modup? Also, when you are flat, when you have a compact floor covering, a compact PVC or linoleum floor covering, when you have wooden panel, of course, if you have wooden panel without any hole and screw onto the subfloor. You can also, with the ceramic tiles, you have some tolerances that you have to follow. And if you do not respect this recommendation, we also recommend you to fill the ceramic joint, because you can have a spectrum effect after a few months. And also, and most of important, depending on the countries, we develop especially this solution for asbestos. So asbestos, as it's an issue, for example, in France and some other countries, we strongly recommend to avoid any risk to glue down a floor covering on it, because after that it will be a nightmare to remove it due to the regulation of each country. So now, as you can see, Patrick is removing the protection film of the Modup junction tape. So the top of the adhesive is a strong adhesive. So thanks to that, the two sheet will be installed and edge to edge perfectly, strongly. So I will try to show you. So I will come, and this is the side where you have quite nothing in terms of adhesion. And this is a part that we install in the backing of the modular product. So if you have some question, do not hesitate to ask me. So we mentioned cold welding. If installing in healthcare, do you do hot welding? Yes, for the version of traffic and compact module up, we recommend to hot weld. So you will see after in the edges, you will see that Patrick will perform the cold welding because we are in a configuration where we are in a bedroom. In 3 weeks, we will perform a new new webinar for module up level 2, and we will show you the how to perform the hot welding for with module up, and also how to do the coving and keep the loose lay solution. So I invite everyone to be here in 3 weeks for the level 2 module webinar. It will not be a competition, but more a technical webinar to show you how to treat the angle, external, internal, the coving, and the hot welding operation. So as you can see, no dust, no dirt, only the small part of only the waste, but it's not it's a way it's the waste that you will have with the modular product. It's ways that you can recycle, and so no noise, no bad smelling, no waiting time. So it's a fast and ecological installation. So Patrick, as it's a cold welding operation for a residential, put the masking tape to perform the cold welding. So he applied the cold welding. So, and now you just need to wait 10 minutes for the cold welding has to be dry, and the installation is it's finished. So we can stop it, and we can show you that Patrick performed installed in 12 minutes a bedroom. So now we can also reinstall the furniture. So we have a question. Do you need to use a double-sided tape close to the wall below the sheet in a high traffic area to minimize movement of the sheet like hospital passages? Yes, especially when you are in a door. Yes, we recommend to use a double-sided tape adhesive. Of course, if you would like to install it in one way, you don't need. But if you would like to be confident, yes, you can use it, no problem. If you have other question, waiting some other question, just to tell you that in Thursday, 12th of November at in our hour in CET at 2:30 p.m. we will perform the ModuleUp webinar level 2. So with coving, hot welding, so especially for hospital, as you asked, for education, for retail, hospitality and leisure segment. So do not hesitate to register you. And for your information, the next webinar will be a little bit longer. Today it will be just an initiation to show you, if you don't know the ModuleUp product. So we have a double-side adhesive or the junction tape at the door threshold. The junction tape. The junction tape. What is the adhesive tube you used for joining? So it is a cold welding type A. As you can see, because you have two types, type A, type C. So it's a cold welding type A that we recommend to use to ensure a perfect seaming between the two sheets. Upon using a rotary buffer in cleaning commercial installation, is it available at Forbo? Sorry for the. So yes, it's available on our accessory brochure. After that, upon using a rotary buffer in cleaning commercial installation, we did not move the panels. No, definitely no. So if you ask us to receive our cleaning and maintenance instruction, it will be the same than the salon traffic glue down. It will be definitely the same. The product has been developed with a specific core, the D3S core, and due to the structure of the floor covering, the product doesn't move. So if you need to perform some trial, do not hesitate to contact your sales guy to get more information, more presentation, because here it's more a technical presentation, but do not hesitate to contact your sales guy from Forbo to get a general overview from marketing point. If I want to carry on a wet cleaning operation, what should I do at the end of the installation? A wet cleaning operation, what should I do at the end of the installation? I don't understand exactly. If I want to, if you would like to use a lot of water on your ModuleUp, thanks to the ModuleUp traffic and compact ModuleUp, so the high traffic version, we will have a coving, so it will not be an issue. But for this solution, the ModuleUp Habitat for residential, if you have a lot of water to clean your floor covering, I really strongly recommend to use a mastic around the room to avoid any water penetration. So we have another question. What is the warranty of the system? The system is warranty 7 years for information. And at the end of the lifetime, if you would like to change your floor covering, as yes, there is no adhesive, you can recycle it easily. So, do you have other question? So we have a question from someone with a hand. On a quelqu'un qui lève la main. Ah, okay. Does this floor covering is resisting to cathode share traffic? Yes, 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 yes. It performs more than the standard request. Normally, to perform the cathode share, you have to have no issue after 27,000 cycles, and we perform it up to 50,000 cycles. So no issue under the cathode share. So do you have other question? Are we sure of the good dimensional stability of the totally loose product? Yes. Yes, yes, definitely. As indicated in our technical data sheet, the dimensional stability of the product is less than 0.05 millimeter or something like that. But it's very, very, very low in comparison with other products due to the dimensional stability of the system developed on the modulate concept. If there is a recommended double-sided tape and the thickness as it will create a high spot. Yes, it's a specific one developed with a partner. So it's a specific one developed. So firstly, because it's not a double-sided tape, because as I told you, the part on the subfloor is with not really sticky like a post-it, so easy to remove. And as it's a thin product, you will not see the spectrum of the double side of the modular junction tape. So it's a specific one. If you need to see what is it exactly, you can ask your sales guy to get a small piece of it. Is there a limit to the length to which you can lay module up in one direction in one room? No. No, it's happened to have the request. The only one maximum length will be the roll. So 2.25 linear meter. But as here is for residential, normally you have not a room around 25 linear meter. So if you are more talking about a corridor in hospital, you will install it in one length, and after that to reinstall the other length, because if it's more than 25 linear meter, you will just recommend not to install it edge to edge and front to back, but more with an angle. But do not hesitate to contact us if you need an explanation, to see a drawing, etc. We can also give you some information. Another question. Sorry, I mean the tape of the edge for commercial installation, thickness. The tape on the edge. I don't understand. Joanne, I don't understand your question. Can be installed on all type of flooring. And And okay, so what is the question is on the edge of commercial installation, the thickness. It will be, you will see in 3 weeks that you will have a specific coving, a specific modular complete skirting, and we will install a real double side adhesive to install it. So the modular junction tape is only used between 2 sheets. That's all. You will see that in 3 weeks that we use Forbo dry tape. So it's a dry adhesive tape, very thin, with a strong adhesive. So to be installed on the skirting and on the backing of the floor covering to get the strong installation. You're welcome. Can be installed on all type of flooring. When your floor is flat, so marble, ceramics. So ceramics, as I told before, you have to be compliant with the tolerances of the ceramic joints. It's 5 millimeter and 2 millimeter. If it's more than 5 and 2, you will see definitely at the end the spectrum effect. After that, you can install it on linoleum compact, on PVC compact, not on textile. You can install it on the concrete subfloor. Yeah. If you have other ideas on wooden panel, we just need we just recommend to fill the joint between the panel and the screw that you have with the hole, and other asbestos from vinyl tile. Installation in corridor with 1.8 in width and 15 linear meter can be installed in loosely. Yes, definitely yes. With or without coving. I understand that the object is not to use any adhesive. However, can you use a tackifier adhesive if you don't have the tape? No, you have to use the tape. But if you would like to install it as a glue down product, you use your acrylic adhesive. But no, if you would like to get the loosely installation, you just need only to use the modular junction tape. Do you have example of successful hospital installation? I don't think our health authorities would allow it. Yes, definitely yes. For example, our technical manager, Mr. Tricot, during the COVID quarantine that we had here in France, he was in our clinic hospital in Reims to manage with floor covering team the installation in a COVID patient room. So they perform it in 1 day and a half. So because it was the installation was too fast for the other, for the painter, for the guy with liquid hair, etc. So yes, definitely, if you need some to get some project reference, we can provide you without any issue. So do you have other questions? Another one, can it withstand high traffic areas such airport corridors where there are a lot of moving wheels of baggage and trolleys? You have to select where you will install it in airport. If you have the small cars and in this way, no, we will not be able to provide you the module up. But if it's an area only with the luggage and the small trolley, yes. because as it's performed with a hospital bedroom, it will perform with a small trolley where you put your luggage on it. But if you would like to install it with some cars, small cars, no, it will not recommended. Can you send the recording of this session when finished? One of my colleagues struggled with getting sound. Sorry for that. Maybe it's my mask. Yes, if we have no issue with the software, normally yes, we will be able to provide you, thanks to YouTube on our English website. For our website, you will be it will be able to watch this this demonstration. Can it be installed over a strip wood floor? No, definitely, sorry, no, it's not possible. It's not possible to install modular floor covering into another floating floor covering. It's not possible to use it on a parquet or laminate, not glue down, or a click system, for example. It's not possible. Floating on floating, it will be a disaster for everyone. It will move a lot. It can be removed and installed in other place. If you have the same size of room, yes, you can. It could be a very good idea to reuse instead of recycle a floor covering. Yes, of course, easily. If you perform the hot welding operation, you just need to remove the hot welding operation, and you can reuse your sheet in other room, no problem. This is a very good question, because now it's more and more interesting to reuse the floor covering, and ModuleUp is a very good opportunity for that. So I think it's okay for everyone. If you have other questions, do not hesitate to. Some of you already know me with the technical in technical department, as I am your technical hotline. Or do not hesitate to send your question to your sales reps, and I will. You're welcome, and I will answer you ASAP. And if you need a marketing document or presentation, do not hesitate to contact your sales guy, and it will be it was a very good experience for us. I hope for you too, and I hope you will be here in 3 weeks. So you will receive a new mail in invitation in 2 weeks to register you in our ModuleUp level 2 with more technical tips. So thank you everyone. Have a nice day and hope to see you soon. Take care. Bye bye.